to start. So when I cut into his brain, black blood that looked like motor oil started pouring out all over the table. Like, I will always have that image in my head.
And I woke up and I was having trouble drinking the water on my nightstand. And I was like, that's strange.
Cavernous malformation is a vascular malformation in the brain or spine.
And they are abnormally formed blood vessels.
We'd never heard cavernous angioma or cavernous malformation or any of that stuff.
And we would read books to her that other people, because she thought she was the only person in the world that had anything in their brain.
We think it's about 1% of the population have one of these lesions.
Current options are limited for us mainly to surgery or observation.
What's this going to look like when she's 20 years old? And that is incredibly scary.
It's funny what you can get used to. That's what I would say. It's strange the things that you never would have thought could be normal, and now they're normal.
Once you have one medicine get through that clinical trial process, then it becomes apparent that we are an illness that they should try to take a stab at. They could make it work.
Time and health are the two greatest currencies in the world now that we're going through this with Isabella. I wish I could give her those things.
Just hearing about the progress that's been made in the past year gets me extremely hyped up about it.
It could mean the quality of life for her. It is a life-saving thing to find a cure for CCM.